my name is Saisha and I'm 10 years old. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting project which is inspired by the game Monopoly. So before growing into our game, let's keep a lookout for riddle of the day, which is what vegetables is only sold fresh, never frozen, never pickled, or never canned. Let's first see this interesting project and then grab our answer of the riddle. So let's see. So this game, my version is called Greenoply. It's inspired by the plants and trees and all the nature, all the plants and trees. So instead of properties and buildings, we could grow plants like trees. On one side there's trees, on one side there's flowers, on one side there's succulents, and on one side there are weeds. So also this game is just made out of paper and pebbles. Or even the dice is homemade, and it's very unique because instead of numbers, we've got the life cycle of a plant, which is seed, which is equal to 1, until flower, which is equal to 6. So let's see how to play this game. But before that, instead of money, we've used the natural resources, which is compost, soil, saplings. We later find out what we use saplings for: water and sunlight. So now let's see how to play. Oh, also, our tokens are just made out of pebbles, and we just colored them separately in different colors. And also, there's no plastic in this. So let's see how to play. Coming to the board, we made 4 very interesting corners, which is grow. Grow is where you could just start the game. Maze. So if you go on to maze, you have 3 options to get out. First, you could give the sapling to the gardener and then roll the dice. Second, you have three chances to roll the dice to get a flower. Third, you could exchange a sapling for a get out of maze card. Let's see this. Treehouse. It's just like free parking. You can just have a rest. And then nursery is another interesting corner. So, as we said, we have to donate a sapling to the nursery. And if you pass go, you have to collect a sapling. Now let's see the chance and community. If you land on a chance or community space, you have to check the card and then do as it says and keep it under the pile. So each set of cards are easily noticed because of their designs. Like the flowers set has lots of flowers. Fruit trees has a lot of trees. Weeds has a lot of grass, and succulents has a type of cactus. So now I also wrote an instruction sheet about how to play. So it tells what the game has. It tells about how to set it up. It tells about the saplings. It tells about the dyes. It tells about the natural resources, how to get out of maze, and treehouse. Now this is my version of Monopoly, which is Greenoply. If you have any more fantastic ideas, please you're most welcome to put them in the comment section below. And I'm sure you enjoyed this. Now coming to the riddle's answer, which I'm sure you still remember, which was what vegetable is only sold fresh, never in cans, never frozen, or never pickled? And it's lettuce. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.